What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another one. This time we got the Milwaukee M12 quarter hex impact gun. I got this on a special from Home Depot with this charger, with this 2.0 battery, and with the pack out organizer for $99. Great way to get into the 12 volt. Great way to get into the pack out. You got a chance to get into two great lines in Milwaukee platform. Milwaukee is they're incredible. Their tools are incredible. Okay? They get the job done and then some. For those who have issues with Milwaukee power tools or hand tools, I understand because stuff happens. That's why they get warranted. If you got an issue with warranty, change your line. Go somewhere else then, because I don't know what to tell you. But Milwaukee so far has treated me very well. I had the Walt, and let's just say the default. This impact gun has 1,200 inch-pounds of torque. We got the 2.0 amp hour battery, lithium ion, 22 watt hours. Milwaukee tools, man. Great way to get into this thing. This thing is amazing. Look at this. This is good for mechanics too. If you're doing stuff in the engine, you know. As you can see, I got Irwin's. They call these, I forget. I know it's a wood tri-flute, but they call them something else. Right there. What is that? Speed bore. There it is. Let's see if we can focus on it. Speed bore. Speed tip. Now you put it on one to get that torque. You know what I mean? No, it's not like a drill, but that's the low, and this is high. Guarantee you bore right through. And this impact's just like the rest of them. You can use one hand, and you can just slide them right in. You know, fuel brushless in the back. Has a clip, battery indicator, Milwaukee fuel. This is the kit number 245320, 12 volt quarter inch hex impact driver. We get the reverse, forward, brushless. You're able to change your clip, put it on this side if you want, or keep it here. Nice overmold, nice shell here, nice rubber. Amazing little gun. Amazing. This is brand new. Co-worker has these. Has this set with the hammer drill. Hammer drill's okay, but this impact is heavy duty. I like this impact a lot. Gen 2 is already out. If you guys are interested in Gen 2, it's $229 for the kit. I think it comes with a 4.0 and a 2.0, but I already had this 4.0. Okay. This charger. If you want to get this case, this kit here comes with this plastic to hold your stuff. Guys that have chargers, cords that you don't know what to do with, pick these up at Home Depot. They're like 50 cents, $1. They're amazing. I love these things. They hold your cord in place. I definitely recommend those. But yeah, and get yourself into this, guys, man. I'm telling you. Look what I did. You know, put your head. You know, that's that, dude. How simple is that? Now this one doesn't have the lock like this one does. But these 20-inch are the same. They're heavy duty. Same gasket, weatherproof, weather resistant gasket there. And right here is to connect on and on. You can connect these like, I don't even know how many you can put. You can stack these up. They're stackable. I'm pretty sure you guys know that already. But there's ways to hook this up onto this. Some guys sell like the attachments and stuff. Some rig their own stuff. I don't really want to get into that, you know. What I really want to do is I want to get the tote and put a tote on top of this and just go. That'll be dope. It'll be set for me as an electrician. You know, I'll put my, tote bag. I'll put the tools that I use for the day in that tote. Put this underneath to keep my hardware in, and I'm off to get the job done. Get the job done simple, efficient. Be able to succeed, man. Guys, Milwaukee's the way to go. Please look into the Milwaukee line if you're not already in. If you're into another line, I recommend Milwaukee, man. Their hand tools are amazing. I'm an electrician. Everybody has Kleins or whatever. I sold all my Klein stuff. I have just a handful of Klein things. I bought Viha. Like, I'm getting into the German tools. I'm into Milwaukee, Definitely what you're seeing on YouTube and the internet, it's really taking over, dude. So, I don't know. I love my Kleins, don't get me wrong. But, I gotta give these other tools a shot because they're real high quality. They're smart. They put a lot of things together. So, look into it, guys. Alright? Enjoy. Like. Subscribe. Comment. Let me know what you guys think, huh? Talk to me, guys. Alright. Peace.